Hi, this is Anthony Parent of Parent and Win LLP, the IRS Medic. And in this video, I'm going to go over how to find the best tax attorney for your situation. Perhaps by now you've figured out you need to get a tax attorney. Perhaps you have been trying to deal with the IRS yourself. Perhaps you have been trying to do it with some underpowered help. So right now you're looking on someone who can complete the job and get something done that other people cannot. Here's the thing. We are tax attorneys, but you know what? We might not be the right firm for you. Not everybody who calls we're the right firm. So we're going to go over some of those things, some of the ways to know whether or not you have selected the right firm for you. The first thing to consider is, well, what kind of tax law does the tax attorney or tax firm you're speaking with, well, what do they deal with? Because here's the thing, there are many colors in the tax attorney rainbow. There's many very different specialties that we're great. Our firm is great with tax problems, but we're not really a tax planning type of firm, but rather when things go bad, whether domestic or offshore. And for bigger problems, that's really our specialty. But there's other types of tax attorneys out there that might be able to help you out a lot better than we are. I'm thinking about things besides tax planning, property tax disputes, and then things such as 1031 like-kinds exchanges. So the thing you want to make sure is that tax attorney is kind of a general term, so make sure you try to narrow down your search to the people who can actually help you with your tax issue. Now, another question you should ask yourself is, should you charge a firm that will charge you hourly, even to fix their own mistakes, or someone who will stick by a flat fee guarantee? You know, we've taken over a lot of cases where there's previous attorneys, and we've seen situations where our clients have been charged by an attorney time for a mistake that they made. And then the attorneys or other type of representative has gone and charged the client to fix the mistake that they charged. So we think it's important that you should know whether or not, are they going to charge you hourly, or is it going to be a flat fee? And if they are going to charge you hourly, are they going to charge you for mistakes and learning experiences they have along the way? So the next question to ask yourself is, should you hire a firm that's afraid to challenge the IRS and hurt somebody's feelings? Or should you hire a firm that's not afraid to professionally raise objections and contest a matter? Here's something that you probably don't know. Right now, with the IRS scandals unfolding of lost emails and broken hard drives, right now in the legal community, there's a tremendous amount of tax professionals who are actually siding with the IRS, that they're defending the IRS, saying that this is no scandal at all. And I find that incredible. I find that incredible that somebody who is supposed to be on the side of taxpayers would be trying to defend the IRS from what has occurred. So that's really something important to know. What is a firm's true philosophy? Do they believe the IRS is the good guys, or are their clients the good guys? And that's a very important question you should ask. Should you hire a big tax firm that does a little bit of everything, or should you hire a dedicated tax resolution firm to handle your tax problem? You know, if you already have an established relationship with a large firm and you believe that they'll treat you fairly, then it might not be a bad idea to go with a large firm. Other people find that it's really helpful to have a firm that does nothing but tax resolution. In either case, you want somebody who's going to be upfront with their level of expertise and also upfront with how much they're going to charge you. Should you hire a tax law firm that will make you use an outside CPA, or should you hire a tax firm that will use their own in-house accounting department? You know, I am a big fan of CPAs and I think they do great work. Here's the problem though, is that when somebody has a dispute, who is the person handling it? Is it a tax attorney or is it a CPA? The problem when you use an outside firm is that you are splitting your defense. that you are not effectively collaborating as well as when an accounting department is inside a tax law firm. And when you're fighting the IRS, you need every advantage that you can get. So we think this is something important, whether or not you'll use someone else as a CPA or an accounting department in-house of a tax resolution law firm. Another question to ask yourself when you're trying to find the best tax attorney is whether or not you should hire a low-cost tax resolution company or if you should hire a tax law firm that has successfully handled cases just like yours. I do talk about fees a lot. You know why? Because I think it's important. I think it's important for all of our clients to know the true cost of doing something. What good is it if we save clients a whole bunch of money with the IRS, but then just give them a legal bill? So we're always looking in our clients' best interest to find that effective solution for them that allows us to earn a decent living. So something you need to ask yourself is, here's the thing, if you're looking to hire a tax attorney, you have to understand that it's a really important decision. It really will have consequences. So do your research. Make sure you have the right type of tax lawyer. Make sure you have the right type of fee engagement. Make sure it's set up as the right team for you. This is Anthony Parent of Parent, and Win LLP, the IRS Medic, and I thank you for watching.